How to watch Blackout MLB games. Simply open your browser, any browser, for instance Chrome, and go to the home and tap on the search bar and simply tap on MLB.tv. Now this is the official website, simply tap on there. Now wait for it to load. Now from this website you'll be able to see all of the streaming matches or games, all the MLB games. Now here you have two options, seasonal or monthly. You have to subscribe. You can start your free trial also, but for longer simply tap on buy now. You can select your plan. The first is season wise, the second is yearly wise. Now select which best suits you, and you can also subscribe to monthly pass, and which is just $29.99 monthly, or you can also tap on MLB Plus for just $6. Now after you tap on buy now, you'll be redirected to the payment section, and after you complete your registration, then come sign into your account, and after that you'll be able to see all of the matches. And here you'll see when the upcoming matches are, the scores, schedule, stats, and the game will be available to watch. You can also schedule the matches that you want to see on the national broadcast channel, or you can just see all the stats right over here. And that's it, guys. In this way you can easily see Blackout MLB games after you subscribe to their official packages. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Consider liking and subscribing to the channel.